ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ. So hi everyone. So sorry for the disturbance. So in the last video we had a discussion on the topic of the equality of set and the ordered pair and the equality of non-ordered pair and the Cartesian product. So today I am going to solve some more problems which is related on the Cartesian product. How can we build the Cartesian product? Okay. So here the first question is if P is equal to a comma b comma c, that P is equal to a comma b comma c, and R is equal to the set Q is equal to R, that set Q is equal to R from P cross Q and Q cross P are these products are equal. This one is going to form. So are these products are equal? Question. So this is going to be the first problem in this video. So for this one, the concept of the equality of the Cartesian product. So in the keynotes I had discussion on the topic of the equality of ordered pair. In general we can say that A cross B never equal to the B cross A. So we need to verify the things here. So here we have given that P is equal to A comma B comma C and Q is equal to R. So here A comma B comma C are the elements or the members which is going to be present in P. Okay. So then Q is going to be the set which is contained in the element R. Only the R is going to be the element which is present in Q. So we need to form P cross Q as well as Q cross P. Then these elements are these products are going to be equal. So we need to verify them. Okay. So here the solution. So we need to form P cross Q. So the elements which is going to be present in a P cross Q are going to be present in such a form that the elements of an ordered pair. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A is going to form an ordered pair with R. So A comma R, that's going to be the first element. Second element B comma R, so B comma R. The third element is going to be C comma R. Only these three elements are going to be present because so you come to n of P, so three elements. N of Q, that's going to be one element. So n of A cross B, that's going to be B cross Q, that's going to be so 1 2 3 into 1, that's going to be 3. So here we are getting 1 comma 2 comma 3, that's going to be A comma R, B comma R, C comma R. So ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದು ಯಾವುದು? P cross Q ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಈಗ we need to form Q cross P ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ R, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ಈ ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ R comma A, that's going to be the first element, then R comma P, that's going to be the second element, the third element is going to be R comma C. So is this pairs are going to be equal? Never. So because A comma R is never equal to R comma A, R B comma R is never equal to R comma B, so C comma R is never equal to R comma C. So because the P cross Q is never equal to Q cross P. So ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಮೇಜರ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್, ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ on this one. Okay. So next one is the next problem. In a set A, if the set A has three elements and the set B, and the set B is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5, 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then find the number of elements in A cross B. So then find the number of elements in A cross B. So they have given the elements as well as the total number of elements in a given sets A and as well as B. So in a set A, they have given only the 3 elements. Means the question says that if the set A has 3 elements, and the A is 3 elements there. Yeah. The set B has again 3 elements. That's going to be 3 comma 4 comma 5. We don't know what's the element going to be present in A, but the total number of elements is going to be 3. The set B has the 3 elements. That's going to be 3 comma 4 comma 5. We know that the elements are going to be present. Which elements are going to be present in set B, as well as the total number of elements going to be present in B. So in the next one, so we need to find the total number of elements in A cross B. So solution. So given n of A is equal to 3, as well as the n of B is equal to what? 3, because 3, 4, 5. There are 3 elements in set B. That's going to be n of B is equal to 3. So we know that n of A into or n of B is equal to n of A cross B. Or we can say that P into Q. PQ is equal to n of A cross B. Similarly, we know that n of A is equal to, that's going to be 3 into 3. So it's going to be n of A cross B. So n of A cross B, which implies that n of A cross B is equal to, there are 9 elements that's going to be present in the Cartesian product A cross B. What about the B cross A? B cross A ಎಷ್ಟು elements ಇರ್ತದೆ? B cross A ಎಷ್ಟು elements ಇರ್ತದೆ? What's going to be the n of B cross A? It's going to be similar. That's going to be n of B into n of A. N of B into n of A. That's going to be 3 into 3. So that's going to be 9. But what about the B cross A is equal to A cross B? The elements present in A cross B is never equal to B cross A. But the total number of elements, present in a set A and B, total number of elements or the total number of sets, total number of elements going to be present in B cross A as well as A cross B, that's going to be equal. This stage if n of A is equal to P and n of B is equal to Q, so then n of A cross B is equal to P into Q. What about n of B cross A? N of B cross A is equal to Q into P. So we know that PQ is always equal to PQ is always equal to QP, because we know that the commutator is going to satisfy for the multiplication. So we can say that PQ is equal to QP. So here we can say that number of elements in A cross B. So that's going to be equal to the number of elements of B cross A. The total number of elements in B cross A. So but when we consider only the A cross B, only the elements going to be present in A cross B. So that's going to be A cross B is not equal to B cross A. But when we consider the number of elements in A cross B, that's going to be equal. Means the number of elements in A cross B is equal to the number of elements in B cross A. Okay. So just pause the video to note it down. Okay, the next problem. If G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2. Find G cross H and H cross G. So this is the given question. So if G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2, so find G cross H as well as H cross G. So the solution here, the solution is going to be, so G cross H is equal to, G cross H will borrow the elements of form, that's going to be the form of an ordered pair. So we can say that 7, 5 So that's going to be the first order pair. The second one is 7 comma 4, 7 comma 4, and the third order pair is 7 comma 2, 7 comma 2. That's going to be the third element going to be presenting the Cartesian product D cross H. Then what about the 8? So 8 cross 8 comma 5. So next one is 8 comma 4, and the next one is 8 comma 2, 8 comma. Okay, so these are the elements which is present in a G cross H. That's going to be the 7 comma 5. Means Cartesian product ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸೊ 8 going to form an order pair with every elements of the set B. Suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ suppose 9 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so 9 comma 5, 9 comma 4, 9 comma 2 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೊ H cross G, H cross G ಈಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ 5 comma first ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 5 comma 7. So the next one is going to be 5 comma 8. So next one is going to be the 4 comma 7. So next one is going to be the 4 comma 8. So next one is going to be the 2 comma 7. 2 comma 7. The next one is going to be the 2 comma 8. 2 comma 8. That's going to be the 5 comma 7, 5 comma 8, 4 comma 7, 4 comma 8, 2 comma 7, and 2 comma 8. These are the elements which is going to be present in a set H cross in a Cartesian product with H cross G. Basically, this is going to be the elements of the that set is it's in the form of an ordered pair. ಅಂದ್ರೆ H cross G ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆ ನೇಮ್ ಏನು Cartesian product ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So basically it's going to be the set. Okay, so G cross H is equal to 7 comma 5, 7 comma 4 as well as 7 comma 2, 8 comma 5, 8 comma 4, 8 comma 2. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಎವರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂತ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ H cross G cross H as well as H cross G. So is this sets are going to be equal? ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? No, because the Cartesian product A cross B is never equal to B cross A. Or because the Cartesian product H cross G, sorry G cross H is never equal to H cross G because 5 comma 7 comma 5 is never equal to 5 comma 7. 7 comma 4 is never equal to 4 comma 7. Okay, so ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ 7 5 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದಾ, 5 7 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ನೆವರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ so this one Cartesian product will need two sets. So because the A cross B is never equal to B cross. So just pause the video right now. So next one, if A cross B is equal to, if A cross B is equal to A comma X, A comma X, so A comma Y, A comma Y, so then B comma X, so then B comma Y, B comma Y, then find A and B, then find A and B. So that's going to be important here. Not even put it there. They have given the Cartesian product. Cartesian product ಅಲ್ಲಿ sets ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That's going to be A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y. So these are the elements which is going to be present in the Cartesian product A cross B. So we need to find the set A as well as the set B. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. So solution. ಈಗ ordered pair definition ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? Ordered pair definition ಬಂದಾಗ all those elements which is present in the first element in an ordered pair that must be belongs to set A, and the second element that's going to be present in a set B. All those the first element from set A, all those the second element from set B. ಈಗ first element ಅಂದ್ರೆ ordered pair ಗೆ first elements ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ set A ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? set A ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So then the solution is going to be set A is equal to ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ two elements are going to be formed in a from the set A. So you set B in a formation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Set B is going to be all those elements of the ordered pair, all those elements of the second ordered pair. ಅಥವಾ in an ordered pair the second element is belong to the set B. So that's going to be the X. So first element is going to be X and in it is X. So X already is okay. So Y. So add Y. So only the two elements are going to be present in a set B as well as the A. That's going to be A comma B as well as the X comma Y. So ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ that's going to be A comma X A comma Y. ನೋಡಿ A comma X A comma Y. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ B comma X B comma Y B comma X B comma Y. ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಟ್ A. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸೆಟ್ B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. The first element belongs to the set A and the second element belongs to the set B. Okay. So just pause the video and done. So the next one. Let A is equal to 1 comma 2 B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 A comma 4 C is equal to 5 comma 6 C is equal to 5 comma 6 and D is equal to and B is equal to. So that's going to be the 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 7 comma 8. Then verify that. So verify that. The first one A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So the second one A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Okay. So we need to verify these two things. Here the says that if the set A is equal to, they have given set A. So set A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 as well as C is equal to 5 comma 6. So D is equal to 5 6 7 8. So ಗಮನ ಮಾಡಿ. So first ಏನೇನು ನಾವು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ first to verify the first question, the solution is, so ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು first B intersection C ಬೇಕು, A cross B ಬೇಕು, A cross C ಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಡಾಟಾ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಏನೇನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ B intersection C ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ. The common element is B and C. So 1 2 3 4 ಇದೆ but C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ 5 6 ಇದೆ. So that's going to be an empty set. ಹೌದಾ. B intersection C ಅಂದ್ರೆ empty set ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So next ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ. So A cross B intersection C. So that's going to be empty. Equation number 1. Because ಏನಕ್ಕೆ empty ಆಗ್ತದೆ. There will be no common elements in B and C. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So A cross B intersection C that's going to be an empty set. So that's going to be the equation number 1. Second, A cross B ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ? A cross B ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? So 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3. So then 1 comma 4. So next one is 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. These are the elements which is going to be present in A cross B. So 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 as well as the 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. Then so we need to find again A cross C. So that's going to be A cross C is equal to A cross C. So that's going to be 1 comma 2 and 5 comma 6. Then 1 comma 5 1 comma 5. So next one is 1 comma 6. So next one is 2 comma 5. So next one is 2 comma 6. So already I have mentioned that the Cartesian product is going to be basically a set. So set ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the intersection between A cross B and A cross C ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? 1 comma 1 ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋ. 1 comma 2 ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋ. 1 comma 3 ನೋ. 1 comma 5 ನೋ. 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 2 comma 4 ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to pi is equal to pi. That's going to be equation number 2. From 1 and 2 ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಾವು? So from 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 we can say that A cross B intersection C is equal to which one? So A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross C. So that's going to be the solution for the first one. So the solution for the second one is A cross C. A cross C ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ already we have A cross C. So A cross C is equal to so 1,5 1,6 2,5 and 2,6. These are the element in A cross C. So is going to subset of B cross T. Then now we B cross T ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು solution of B cross T Cartesian product of fiber ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ so that's going to be B cross T is equal to B cross T. So 1,5 1,6 1,7 1,8 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ 1,5 ಬರ್ತದೆ 1,6 ಬರ್ತದೆ 1,7 so 1,8 so the next one 2,5 2,6 2,7 2,8 so next one is 3,5 so 3,6 3,7 so that's going to be 3,8 so next one 4,5 so 4,6 4,7 then 4,8 so these are the elements which will be present in B cross C. Here A cross C is a subset of B cross T and the elements which is present in A cross C must be present in B cross T. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು A cross C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು B cross T ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ 1,5 ಇದೆಯಾ yes 1,5 1,6 ಇದೆಯಾ 1,5 1,6 2,5 ಇದೆಯಾ yes 2,5 2,6 ಇದೆಯಾ 2,6 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the elements which is present in A cross C are going to be present in B cross T ಅಂದ್ರೆ A cross C is going to be subset of what B cross T. So we can say that A cross C that's going to be the subset of B cross T. That's going to be the subset of B cross T. Okay, so ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ basic concept ಬರಬೇಕು. Basic concept ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ these things are going to be simple. So ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಮೂರು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, so the next one is let A is equal to 1 2 3. So let A is equal to 1 2 3. Let A is equal to 1 2 3. B is equal to 3 4. B is equal to 3 4 and C is equal to so 4 5 6 4 5 6. What about the so next one find ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ A cross the first one A cross B intersection C the first one ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Second one A cross B intersection A cross C third. So third one is A cross B union C. So fourth one so A cross B union A cross C. So ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. So they have given A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to 3 4 and C is equal to 4 5 6. So we need to find A cross B intersection C. So second one is A cross B intersection A cross C. The third one is A cross B union C. So A cross B union A cross C. So first one again find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. So from the question number 1 and 2, 1 and 3 you need to find B intersection C as well as the B union C. Okay, so ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು, the Cartesian product of A cross B A cross C. So then that's one, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು Cartesian product ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. So first one solution. So first we need to find B intersection C is equal to. So B intersection, the common elements in B and C. Common elements are so 3, B ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಲ್ಲ, B ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. So 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, 5 ಇದೆಯಾ, 6 ಇದೆಯಾ, no. So only 4 is going to be present in B intersection C. So then B union C is going to be B union C. That's going to be 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are only 4 elements that's going to be present in B union C. So the 3 is going to, so 4 is going to be present in B as well as C. So we are going to mention only once here. So that's going to be 3, 4, 5, 6. The first one solution. The first one is A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection C is equal to. So elements are 1 is 2 is 3 ಇದೆ. So ಈ element ಗಳು the 3 elements going to form a partition product with 4. So then it's going to be 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. So that's going to be the 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. So these are the 3 elements that's going to be present in the partition product A cross B intersection C. So next one is second one. A cross B intersection A cross C find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಏನು A cross B find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. A cross B ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. So A cross B is equal to, so 1, 3, 1, 4. So next one is 2, 3. So next one is 2, 4. So these are the elements in. So we have another term. So that's going to be 3, 3. So 3, 4. So 3, 2. 3 2s are 26. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So then A cross C is equal to. So that's going to be 1, 4. 1, 5. So then 1, 6. So next one is 2, 4. 2, 5. Then 2, 6. So next one is 3, 4. 3, 5. So next one is 3, 6. So there are 9 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 3 elements here, 3. And again, the number of elements in C is going to be 3. So 3 3 is 6. So we have the, sorry, 3 3 is 9. That's going to be the 9 elements in B, A cross C. So we need to find A cross B intersection A cross C. So here A cross B intersection A cross C. That's going to be the common elements in A cross B as well as the A cross C. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A cross B ಮತ್ತೆ A cross C ಇರೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, so 1, 3 ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ, A cross B ಇದೆ. what about the A cross C? no 1, 3 ಇಲ್ಲ. 1, 4 ಇದೆಯಾ? yes 1, 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. so ಇದೆ. that's going to be the one element 1, 4. that's going to be present in both the given sets. what about the 2, 3? 2, 3 ಇದೆಯಾ? no. what about 2, 4? yes 2, 4 is present in A cross C. so that's going to be the 2, 4. then 3, 3 no. 3, 3 ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 3, 4 ಇದೆಯಾ? yes 3, 4 is also present in 3, 4 is also present in A cross B as well as the A cross C. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? 3, 4 ಇದೆ. 3, 5 ಇದೆಯಾ? no. 3, 6 ಇದೆಯಾ? no. so 1, 5 no. 1, 6 no. so what about 2, 5 and 2, 6? no. only the three elements are common in A cross B as well as the A cross C. that's only 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. okay. so next one we need to find the third one. so third one ಏನಿದೆ? B union C ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. B union C ಏನಿದೆ? 3, 4, 5, 6. so Cartesian product with A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so A cross B union C is equal to 1, 3. so next 1, 4. so 1, 5. then 1, 6. so next one is 2, 3. so 2, 4. so then 2, 5. then 2, 6. so next one is 3, 3. 3, 4. next one 3, 5. so next one 3, 6. so these are the elements which is going to be present in A cross B union C. so the next one is the fourth one. the union of A cross B and A cross C. so already we have mentioned the A cross B as well as the A cross C. so we need to just mention the union of those two sets, those two Cartesian product. so A cross C. so what is the A cross B? so here A cross B as well as the A cross C. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, So that's going to be the common the union of the A cross B as well as the A cross C. That's going to be so 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 3. So then it's going to be 2 comma 4. So here so 2 comma 4 3 comma 3 3 comma 3, then it's going to be 3 comma 4 3 comma 4. Again that we are removing the common elements, means 1 comma 4 remove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, 2 comma 4 ನ remove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, 3 comma 4 ನ remove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿದೆ, so 1 comma 5 ಇದೆ, so 1 comma 5 next 1 comma 6, so 1 comma 6. What about next one? 1 comma 6, 2 comma 4 already we have mentioned here, so then it's going to be 2 comma 5, so it's going to be 2 comma 6. So next one is going to be 3 comma 4 already we have mentioned. So here so 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 6. So 3 comma 5 as well as 3 comma 6. So these are the elements which is going to be present in A cross B union A cross C. So that's going to be the major thing is according to the given sets. So A, B, C. So we need to mention every Cartesian product and the basic concept of the intersection sets as well as the union set. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ union ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ union ಇದೆ, intersection ಇದೆ, intersection ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ intersection ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ union ನ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. So you can easily solve these things. Okay. So the next one is, so just pause the video to note down this problem. Okay, the next one is, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you.